Okay, we officially start our first project on Python. We are going to create a Lightner box. Let's ask ChatGPT what Lightner box is. It's, so you may know, but this is a studying method that helps you learning. It has flashcards, box review process, and space reputation. For example, box one card you're struggling with reviewing daily. You know a little. And it's a thing that you create for studying learning. Some of you may see our previous course and say you didn't teach us everything about how to create it. I say it's okay, we don't know how to create it. We are going to just ask and learn how to create it. Because how to create a Lightner box. I don't know what is happening, but we wait a little because we are just a human. Okay, it wants us to log in, but I don't really like logging. Okay, how to create a Lightner box? Gather your materials, prepare your flashcard, set up the Lightner box, practice with spread, space replicant. Okay, we have a chart on how to create our Lightner box. Okay, the first thing is gather your material, prepare your flashcard. Let's say for flashcard we are using some PDFs. For example, let's say download math flashcards. Okay, it's not giving us access. Let's go here. Let's go here. For example, let's download this. Create it. It created. Now we just easily need to download it. How we can download it? Okay, you can download it from here. It says okay, download it, and we put it here in the desktop. We create a folder and call it Lightner. How write that? Lightner. I always forget how to write this thing. I don't know why. Let's just copy that because I don't remember it well and paste Lightner box here. And we cut our flashcard here. Let's open it. Okay, we create our flashcard. Now we need to rename it, for example, as flash. Now, what we need to do, it says you need a flashcard. Okay, we download the flashcards. Now, it says what? It says set up the Lightner box. Divide the boxes in 5 compartments. Label them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it says we need 5 boxes. Okay, we need 5 boxes. What boxes from 1 to 5? For example, let's say create a box 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5. And let's go a little higher, for example 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, we have 8 boxes. What it says, add new cards to in box 1. Okay, we added to box 1. Practice with the space repetition. Start with all new cards here. If you get it right, move the card to box 2. If you get it wrong, keep in box 1. Box 2 every day. If correct, move to box 3, and it go like this. Okay, we create our cards, box and cards, but it's a little simple. We need a code. What code? We need a code that create whenever we answer something right, it push it to the next box and tell me us where to study it again. For example, when we review a card here and we approved, it's going to study 2 days later here, 4 days later here, 8 days later here, 16 days later here. We need a code that creates this. Okay, I tell you the project. I want you to just a little think about it until the next lesson that we officially start this project. Have a nice time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and ask me if you need anything in comments.